Continuous flow synthesis is a key component in industry, and to talk about that I have with me Professor Amol Kulkarni, who is a senior scientist in the National Chemical Laboratory in Pune. Sir, welcome to Doordarshan. Everybody is talking about this continuous flow synthesis, but hardly people know. I mean, apart from the academician and the industry, people don't really know what exactly is. Can you tell us in a simple term for our viewers what exactly it is and how it is helping the industry achieve better productivity?
Continuous flow synthesis is something new. New in the sense, for the chemical engineers, for the chemical industry, it's not very new. So all the bulk molecules, petrols, etc., all are manufactured in continuous mode. Why it is new now is because all the pharmaceutical compounds, agrochemicals, they are being manufactured in flow. That's for continuous flow synthesis. More importantly, it has aspects like safety. It is extremely safe as compared to a typical batch protocol. It has small footprint. So typically chemical plants or chemical industry is known to be kind of a polluting industry. But the continuous flow synthesis or continuous manufacturing is a concealed system. So you don't, the safety point of view, the waste generation point of view, it is extremely better as compared to a batch. In
terms of industry usage, how much it is important? Because, for instance, you talk about certain industries which use it in a big way. How is it happening, and in India's perspective, how it is important?
So, Indian industry, mainly the fine and specialty chemicals industry or the performance chemicals, these are the chemicals which we do on day-to-day life. That's basically the agrochemicals, the perfumes, the shampoo, and all kind of chemical colors, pigments, waxes and so on. All has been manufactured traditionally in the batch mode. Now when you do it in continuous mode, the chemistry need not change significantly, but what is happening is that your reactions are becoming more efficient. The way you are manufacturing is far better as compared to a typical batch protocol. You make more from less amount of the reactants, or theoretically you get almost equal to theoretical what is expected than what you get in the batch.
This also helps in many ways the pharmaceutical industry, the creams that we use. How does that help in batch mode rather than in continuous flow mode?
Okay, so recently we have developed a process for a product called azelaic acid. This particular product goes in making it has application in the dermatological cream, and the byproduct has applications in the plasticizing industry. Typically when you do ozonolysis in the batch mode, that happens at minus 78 degrees centigrade for almost 18 to 20 hours, while we have made it continuous now, which the reaction happens at only 5 seconds. So, and typically in the batch, you get somewhere close to anywhere the yield from 20% to as much as 60-65% in that much time. We are able to get 89% yield with more than 98% purity of this particular product.
In NCL, you guys are also developing something to do with mobile application or mobile screen you were talking about. What it is it something related with that same thing?
When the world is moving towards flexible electronics, we have to have some component in that. While we have missed that bus, we cannot miss the bus of making these materials at large quantities. One such material is silver nanowires. So in general, silver nanowires is used in two major applications. One is conducting inks. The second is the touch screens. So the thin wires, which are 20 nanometers to 30 nanometer size, they go in making the touch screens, while the thicker wires above 30 nanometers, 50 nanometers go in making conducting inks. So in general, the cost of these wires, when you buy it for these kind of applications, per gram it cost varies from anywhere from 15,000 rupees per gram to as much as 35,000 rupees per gram. We have developed a continuous process for it to make it kind of at least 12 times cheaper than what is the market price at this moment.